Welcome to all of you here once again to my YouTube channel. Today I have the chapter 2, that is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, class 10th, first book, that is First Flight. And students, you all know this is the most important chapter and most difficult and longest chapter. This will have the important uh, questions for this first term exams, and I hope you all are waiting for the MCQs from these chapters. So I am going to give you the MCQs with answer from that chapter नेल्सन मंडेला. तो नेल्सन मंडेला ये जो चैप्टर है इसमें से ज़्यादातर जो एमसीक्यूज होंगे वो एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड होंगे, और सिर्फ नेल्सन मंडेला से ही नहीं, जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं क्लास 10th में सीबीएसई का, उसमें जो एमसीक्यूज होंगे वो टेक्स्ट बेस्ड होंगे, एक्सट्रैक्ट दिया रहेगा और उस एक्सट्रैक्ट को पढ़ना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू आंसर द multiple choice questions. So without delay we will start the chapter. Before we start the questions attempting, we have to read the text. So first text is here. But then I slowly saw that not only I was not free, but my brothers and sisters were not there. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. यानी यहाँ मंडेला कहते हैं कि उस समय सिर्फ मैंने देखा कि सिर्फ मैं ही आज़ाद नहीं था, यानी मैं ही, मेरा ही फ्रीडम को छीन लिया नहीं गया था, बल्कि मेरे साथ मेरे ब्रदर सिस्टर्स, यहाँ ब्रदर सिस्टर कहने का मतलब है जितने भी नागरिक हैं उन सब की बात कर रहे हैं, उनका भी जो आज़ादी है वो छीन लिया गया है. आई saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. यानी उन सब का फ्रीडम को कर्टेल कर लिया गया है, छीन लिया गया है, या फिर कहें कम कर दिया गया है, जो हमारे जैसा सोचते हैं. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. मंडेला कहते हैं कि जब मैं अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस पार्टी को ज्वाइन किया, उस समय मेरे अंदर एक आज़ादी का जो भूख है वो जागता है और वो बढ़ता जाता है, और वो अपने लोगों के लिए, फ्रीडम ऑफ माय पीपल. इट वाज दिस डिजायर फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ माय पीपल टू लिव देयर लाइव्स विथ डिग्निटी. यानी मेरे अंदर जो डिजायर था फ्रीडम के लिए, अपने लोगों के फ्रीडम के लिए, आज़ादी में जीने का, और उनके लिए जो डिग्निटी और सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट्स के साथ जीने का जो इच्छा था, दैट एनिमेटेड माई लाइफ, वही मेरे जीवन को एक नया मकसद दिया, मेरे लाइफ को बनाया. दैट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड अ फ्राइटेंड यंग मैन इनटू अ बोल्ड वन, और वही है जो एक डरपोक, एक कायर व्यक्ति को एक बहादुर बना दिया, ब्रेव बना दिया. यानी मंडेला कह रहे हैं कि मैं शुरू से इतना करेजियस नहीं था, मैं लोगों के बारे में जब सोचा तो मेरे अंदर इस तरह एक तरह से स्ट्रेंथ आ गया, मुझ में हिम्मत आया. दैट ड्रोव अ लॉ अवॉइडिंग अटॉर्नी टू बिकम अ क्रिमिनल, और यही वजह है कि एक व्यक्ति जो हर रूल्स को, लॉज को फॉलो करने वाला था, वो एक क्रिमिनल कहलाने लगा लोगों के नज़र में. दे टर्न्ड अ फैमिली लविंग हस्बैंड इनटू अ मैन विदाउट अ होम। इस यही वजह था जो एक फैमिली लविंग मैन मेरे जैसा को बना दिया एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो फैमिली से दूर रहने लगा। दैट फोर्स्ड अ लाइफ लविंग मैन टू लिव लाइक अ मॉन्क। यही वजह है कि मुझे एक मॉन्क की तरह रहना पड़ा। यानी मंडेला कह रहे हैं कि लोगों के लिए, अपने लोगों के लिए जो मैं आज़ादी का जो इच्छा था उनके लिए, उनका सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट के लिए जब मैंने सोचा तो मैं अपने बारे में सोचना भूल गया। तो ये है पैसेज। नाउ गिवन बिलो द MCQs क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आई हियर रिफर्स टू। यहाँ पे आई किसके लिए आया है? मैब के लिए, जेनानी, क्लर्क, नेल्सन मंडेला। तो आंसर हो जाएगा नेल्सन मंडेला के लिए आया है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द फ्रीडम ऑफ द ऑथर हु वाज अ ब्लैक। यहाँ पे जो ऑथर हैं उनका फ्रीडम, द फ्रीडम ऑफ द ऑथर हु वाज अ ब्लैक वाज, उनका क्या फ्रीडम था? फ्रीडम क्या हो गया था? जो ब्लैक थे यानी नेल्सन मंडेला, उनका फ्रीडम का क्या हो गया था? कर्टेल कर दिया गया था, सैंक्शनड हो गया था, अपोज्ड या सपोर्टेड। तो आंसर हो जाएगा कर्टेल हो गया था, यानी आज़ादी को कम कर दिया गया था, छीन लिया गया था, काट दिया गया था। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द ऑथर फेल्ट द ग्रेटर हंगर फॉर। ऑथर को जो हंगर था, सब ग्रेटर हंगर, वो किस चीज़ के लिए था? द फ्रीडम ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स, द फ्रीडम ऑफ हिज पीपल, द फ्रीडम ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स, द फ्रीडम ऑफ नेबर्स। तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा फ्रीडम, द फ्रीडम ऑफ हिज पीपल, यानी ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द वर्ड कर्टेल्ड मीन्स। वर्ड कर्टेल का मतलब क्या है? कर्टेल का मीनिंग क्या है? ऑप्शन ए है इंक्रीज्ड, बी अपोज्ड, सी रिड्यूस्ड, डी इनलार्ज्ड। तो ऑप्शन सी हो जाएगा आंसर, दैट इज रिड्यूस्ड। यानी कर्टेल का मतलब होता है कम कर देना, दैट इज रिड्यूस्ड। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द डिजायर फॉर फ्रीडम ऑफ द पीपल ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड। यानी डिजायर जो था फ्रीडम का वो ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया क्या? एन एनिमल इनटू अ मैन, a frightened leader into a minister, a frightened young man into a bold one, a man into a woman. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, a frightened young man into a bold one. This one is the answer. Now next passage, passage number 2, it is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Now, on the basis of understanding of that this passage, we do the answers of the MCQs. Let's start question number 1. The comrades of the author made him aware about uh, the meaning of starvation, the meaning of respect, the meaning of love, the meaning of courage. The answer would be option D, the meaning of courage. Now, next question, To author, the men and women risk and sacrifice their life for. Option A is the sake of family, the sake of an idea, the sake of friends, the sake of money. तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज द सेक ऑफ एन आइडिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The author defines courage, not the absence of fear, but rather afraid of it, but rather the triumph over it, but virgins of severing, but rather reject it. तो आंसर हो जाएगा बी ऑप्शन, दैट इज बट रादर द ट्रायम्फ ओवर इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द वर्ड रेजिलेंस मीन्स, वर्ड रेजिलेंस का मतलब क्या है? द एबिलिटी टू डील विथ एनी काइंड ऑफ हार्डशिप, द एबिलिटी टू कनकर द फो, द एबिलिटी टू डाइव डीप, द एबिलिटी टू कीप मम. तो आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज द एबिलिटी टू डील विथ एनी काइंड ऑफ हार्डशिप. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The man who shows strength of standing up against a crime is called. एक व्यक्ति जो आगे क्राइम के अगेंस्ट में खड़ा हो सकता है, जिसमें हिम्मत हो, स्ट्रेंथ हो, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? ब्रेव मैन, इनोसेंट मैन, सेंसिटिव मैन और कावर्ड. तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा द ब्रेव मैन, यानी ऑप्शन ए इज द आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैसेज वी हैव 10th May, dawn bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Now question number 1 we have I here refers to. I यहाँ पे किसके लिए आया है? तो मैबकी, क्लर्क, जेनानी, नेल्सन मंडेला. No doubt option D would be the answer, Nelson Mandela. Now he was surrounded by international leaders and dignitaries, family members, national heroes, British soldiers. The answer would be international leaders and dignitaries, that is option A. Now question number 3. The inauguration was to celebrate the installation of South Africa's first capitalist government, South Africa's first democratic government, South Africa's first communist government, none of the above. The answer would be option B, that is South Africa's first democratic government. Now question number 4. The inaugurational ceremonies took place in the lovely arena, open wooden theatre, lovely sandstone amphitheater, प्रेसिडेंट हाउस. तो ये आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज लवली सैंडस्टोन एम्पीथिएटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 वी हैव द वर्ड एम्पीथिएटर हियर मीन्स. एम्पीथिएटर का मीनिंग क्या है यहाँ पे? अ बिल्डिंग विथ अ कोनिकल टेंट, अ बिल्डिंग विथ आयरन फेंसिंग, a building with triangular shape, a building without a roof. तो आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज अ बिल्डिंग विदाउट अ रूफ. Now next passage we have, I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow mindedness. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone's freedom, just as surely as I am not free when freedom is taken from me. The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. तो इसमें फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू ऑथर द ऑपरेसर मस्ट बी लिबरेटेड जस्ट एज श्योरली एज द स्ट्रेस, एज द ऑपरेस्ड, एज द अदर्स, एज द ऑथर. द आंसर इज एज द ऑपरेस्ड, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, a man who takes away another man's freedom is, जो दूसरे का फ्रीडम को छीन लेता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है, और वो क्या होता है? अ प्रिजनर ऑफ सुपीरियरिटी, अ प्रिजनर ऑफ लस्ट, अ प्रिजनर ऑफ सेल्फ, अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हैट्रेड. तो आंसर डी इज द आंसर, ऑप्शन डी इज द आंसर, दैट इज अ प्रिजनर ऑफ हैट्रेड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, I am not truly free if I am taking away others' freedom, taking away others' money, taking away others' cow, taking away others' books. तो इसमें आंसर हो जाएगा टेकिंग अवे अदर्स मनी, टेकिंग अवे अदर्स काउ, टेकिंग अवे अदर्स फ्रीडम, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन ए इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वर्ड प्रिजुडिस मीन्स. वर्ड प्रिजुडिस का मीनिंग क्या है? रिवेंज, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसलाइक विदाउट एनी गुड रीजन, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ लव, इरिटेशन. तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसलाइक विदाउट एनी गुड रीजन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आई हियर रिफर्स टू, दैट इज सेम अगेन नेल्सन मंडेला. Now come to the next passage. It was only then I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, that I began to hunger for it. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself, the transitory freedom of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased, and go where I choose. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family, the freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. This is the passage. Now, question number 1 we have here, I refers to. I किसके लिए आया? तो अगेन नेल्सन मंडेला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द नरेटर लर्न that his boyhood freedom was an excited period, a storm, a promise, an illusion. तो आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज एन illusion. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एज अ स्टूडेंट द ऑथर wanted freedom only for the family, for himself, for the parents, for friends. The answer is for himself, that is option B. Now next question, the word earned for means. earned का मीनिंग क्या है? longed for, अर्नड फॉर का मीनिंग क्या है, यानी लॉन्ग्ड फॉर, डिजर्टेड, स्ट्रगल्ड और पैसिफाइड। तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा लॉन्ग्ड फॉर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, जोहान्स इन जोहान्सबर्ग Mandela longed for the basic freedom of achieving his potential, arid of celebrating the moment, of gathering more money, of marrying and having a family, of having a status। तो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा of marrying and having a family। Now next passage, on the day of the inauguration I was overwhelmed with a sense of history in the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their differences and created a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. Now, in the last decade of the 20th century and my own 8th decades as a man, that system has been overturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all peoples, regardless of the color of their skin. Now, question number 1 again same, I refers to the नेल्सन मंडेला, यानी ये जो कंप्लीट स्टोरी है ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल है, यानी जो आई यहाँ पे है वो मंडेला के लिए है, क्योंकि ये लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम से लिया गया है और लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम जो है वो ऑटोबायोग्राफी है नेल्सन मंडेला का, यानी खुद का लिखा हुआ। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द नरेटर वाज ओवरवेल्म्ड विथ a sense of charity, a sense of gratitude, a sense of insecurity, a sense of history. The answer would be D, a sense of history. Next, the system of racial domination against the black of South Africa has been overturned in the last decade of the 20th century, in 18th century, in late 18th century, in the first decade of 19th century. The answer is in the last decade of the 20th century. Next question, the system of racial domination has been replaced by a system that confirms the education of the blacks, recognizes the rights and freedom of all people, recollects the bitter experiences, focuses on the personality development। तो आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज रिकॉग्नाइजेज द राइट्स एंड फ्रीडम ऑफ ऑल पीपल। वन मोर क्वेश्चन वी हैव, द वर्ड पेच्ड अप मीन्स, वर्ड पेच्ड अप का मीनिंग क्या है? तो सॉल्व्ड, फेल्ड, पेस्टेड, चार्म्ड। तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा सॉल्व्ड, पेच्ड अप मीन्स सॉल्व्ड। Some more MCQs questions we have. He was surrounded by international leaders and dignitaries, family members, national heroes, British soldiers. Option A is the answer, that is international leaders and dignitaries. Now next questions. The spectacular ray of South African jets was a display of military precision, military loyalty to democracy, none of the above, both 1 and 2. D is the answer, that is military precision and military loyalty to the democracy. Now next question, we thank all of our distinct international guests for having come to take position with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, peace, human dignity, all of the above. D is the answer, that is all. That means justice, peace, human dignity. Now, next question. What realizations did Mandela have of his boyhood freedom? बॉयहुड फ्रीडम के बारे में मंडेला को क्या रियलाइजेशन होता है? इट इज जस्ट एन इल्यूजन, ही वॉज बॉर्न फ्री, फ्रीडम वॉज मींट फॉर किड्स, ही हैड नो रियलाइजेशंस. बी इज द आंसर, ही वॉज बॉर्न फ्री. नाउ same question is here again. Here refers to, that is A. Nelson Mandela. Next question. When was the inauguration day? It was 10th of May. That is option A, you know. Now, where did ceremonies take place? Ceremonies कहाँ पे हुआ था? So option B is the answer. Sandstone Amphitheater. Now next, whom did Mandela wanted to thank but couldn't? His family, white rulers, African patriots who no longer existed. So this is the answer, option C, African patriots who no longer existed. Next question, how many deputy presidents were elected? So you know, two deputy presidents were elected, that is option A. Next, according to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth of a nation? Minerals, gems, diamonds, people. So D is the option, that is people. Next question, in the article who have the people been compared to, यहाँ पे लोगों को किससे कंपेयर किया गया है? अटेंसिल्स, मिनरल्स एंड जेम्स, टेक्नोलॉजी, नन ऑफ द अबव. तो आंसर हो जाएगा मिनरल्स एंड जेम्स, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज नेल्सन मंडेला डिफाइन द मीनिंग ऑफ करेज? ट्रायम्फ ओवर फियर, ट्रायम्फ over love, triumph over selfish, triumph over poverty. The A would be the answer, triumph over fear. Now next question, the word resilience means, resilience का meaning क्या है? The ability to deal with any kind of hardship, the ability to conquer the foe, the ability to dive deep, the ability to keep mum. So option A would be the answer, that is the ability to deal with any kind of hardship, that is resilience. Now, what change brought international leaders to South Africa? End of apartheid, humanity, peace, trade, negotiation. A is the answer, that is end of apartheid. Next question, the narrator was overwhelmed with sense of charity, a sense of gratitude, a sense of insecurity, a sense of history. तो आंसर हो जाएगा डी, दैट इज अ सेंस ऑफ हिस्ट्री. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वाज द इनॉग्रेशन डे? दैट इज अगेन 10th May. Next, what change brought international leaders? That was end of apartheid. These are all revision questions we have already done. Next question, it is a victory for human dignity. Pick the option that lists the correct answer for what human dignity would include. Equality, liberty, indecency. Liberty, indecency, self-respect, immortality, self-respect, equality, equality, liberty, self-respect. The answer is D, that is equality, liberty and self-respect. Next question, the spectacular ray of South African jets was a display of military precision, military loyalty to democracy, both 1 and 2, none of the above. The answer is both, military precision, military loyalty to democracy. Same questions are repeating. This means this will help you to memorize well. Now next question, A man who takes away another man's freedom is white, a prisoner of hatred, criminal, rude, that is already done, a prisoner of hatred. Next question. What has the Nelson Mandela achieved? Political emancipation, political love, political goodness, none of the above. Answer is political emancipation. Now, what comes more naturally to heart according to Mandela? Hatred, unity, love, racial discrimination. The option D, C is the answer. That is love. Next, the word amphitheater here means again same questions. That is D, a building without a roof. Next question, what is a country's greatest wealth? That is its people. These are all revision we are doing. Same questions repeating so that you can remember it very well. Next question, what unintended effect did the decades of oppression and brutality had created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity, poverty and suffering, boycott from foreign nations, both 2 and 3. Option A is the answer. It created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. Now same question is repeating. I refers to the Nelson Mandela. Now next, why were two national anthems sung? दो तरह का नेशनल एंथम क्यों गाया गया था? टू इम्प्लाई यूनिटी, टू मार्क द एंड ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, टू मार्क द एंड ऑफ जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, both 1 and 2. So D is the answer. That is 1 and 2. To imply unity, to mark the end of racial discrimination. Next question, which party did Mandela join? Indian National Congress, African National Congress, National African Party. He did not join any party. So B is the answer. That is African National Congress. Next question, the word curtailed means, we have already done, that is reduced, option C. Now next, what Nelson Mandela achieved, that is political emancipation. Now move to the next question. Pick the option that showcases the usage of host as in the extract. He was praised for his hospitality as the host of the party. She was able to host the event without any hindrance. She met the host and apologized for her friend's misbehavior. He is the best host that one can ever come across. B would be the correct usage. That is, she was able to host the event without any hindrance. Now next, what does depths of operation create? That is heights of character. That is option B. Next, the desires for freedom of the people transformed an animal into a man, a frightened leader into a minister, a frightened young man into a bold one. That is option C. C is the answer. Next question, the structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. What structure is Mandela talking about? Racial domination against the black skin, poverty and suffering, discrimination against the poor, oppression of women. Option A is the answer. That is racial domination against the black skinned. Next, the word patched up means, that is solved, option A. Next, the desire for freedom of the people transformed a frightened young man into a bold one. Again, same questions are repeating. So this was the Nelson Mandela. I hope you have understood all the questions. If you have any queries, any questions, you can comment me. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe my channel. And I have given the link for the chapter the full detailed chapter line by line explanation. If you want, you can check my description box. Thanks for watching.